In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this email within Canva. So this is an email made with Canva's new email design. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create it. All the links will work. If you see this social links, they will work if you actually send an email with this. And yeah, so let's get straight into it. So let's go into the home page. And I'm going to create a new email. So you can see the email's design here. Just click on this, or if you can't see it, click on the create at the top left and then search for email. You're going to see many email type designs, but just click on the one that just says email on it. This is going to be the original one. So as you can see, I have created my design, and you can just get started with typing your email or designing it right here. Usually the normal font size is going to be 16 for emails, or 12 if you want to make it formal. And I'm going to just get started here. So at first we saw a design that covered this block header. So I'm going to create that right now. Click on the plus and then click on design. So I'm going to replicate something like this. So to do that, let's click on elements, and then I'm going to put a picture in. I'm going to use the recently used because this is the one I used before. I'm going to right click on that image and set image as background. And now I'm going to put in some text. Let's click T to put some text in, and then scale it by holding Alt. And now we have the text here, and I'm going to just type "You have been invited." I'm going to bolden this text. I'm going to change the font to Poppins, and I'm going to make it a little smaller, such as this. And I'm going to make this invited text to be a little blue. So let's put it to be a nice blue here. I think this is good. And I'm going to make the whole text a little transparent, around 75. So that looks pretty much the same. So I'm going to click save now since this is done. And as you can see, we have our design right here. So as you saw in the last email I showed, this design filled in the whole top edge at the top. So to do that, just click on this and then right click and then set to top. This is going to act as a header now. And now I'm going to just put in some text. So I'm going to change the font first, or I'm gonna just keep it the same. So let's type in "Hello there. You have been invited," or "You are invited." And I'm going to make this text 16. I'm going to make everything 16. And now, this one is also 16. And now I'm going to create a highlight block. So a highlight block, this is going to be the one that's as used in the previous email. This is to show the location. So let's click on elements and then let's click on highlight blocks. And I'm going to show a location highlight block. So we have this pre-designed one that shows location icon perfectly. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to change this to location. And I'm going to change this to something like 1, 2, 3, 4 Learn and Fix Street. And if you want to change the color of this highlight block, just click on the top of that highlight block until you see this cursor icon. Click on it, and then you'll know you selected it when you saw this color pop up at the top bar. So now you can change the color, click add a new color, and then select gradient, or select solid color. I'm going to select solid color here. I'm going to make it a little blue. light blue. And I think this fits the top here. So that's it for this part. And now I'm going to make the image kind of the events listed here. So this event will include, and I'm gonna make some columns here. So you can do that, or you can make this manually by clicking on plus and then inserting columns and then editing it from scratch, or you can use the template made for this. So just click on elements, let's go back, and then click on columns, and then click on pre-designed columns, see all, and I'm gonna choose the one with the three images here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and I'm gonna change this body text to free food and drinks. Second one will be let's make it fun activities, and the third, let's make this prizes and rewards. So that's pretty good. And now I'm going to add the images into these. So let's go back to elements, and then let's click photos. And now I'm going to use one of the recently used photos for each of them. So for the free food and drinks, I'm going to just use this one. You can drag and drop right into the frame. And then this for this one. And I'm going to choose this one for that. And there you go. That's how we can make this type of image listing here. And now we're going to include some text here, some notice text, so or some call to action like join the fun. You are eligible to bring 3 other people with you. Just a little notice, and I'm going to add one last thing, which is going to be the footer. This footer is going to include our social links. So let's go to elements again, and then let's click on icon blocks. Click on that, and then scroll down. You can choose any of these designs, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to choose this last one because it includes the actual logos of each one. I'm going to scale this a little bit just to design it and make it fit, and perhaps this a little smaller. You can play around with it however you want. And now I'm going to make this fill the bottom, so I'm going to right click and then set to bottom, and that's it. And now I'm going to make the links work for each of these. So just click on this logo. For each logo, just click on it and then click link. And now you can click whatever link you want this to go to. I'm just going to type in the actual website's name. So for LinkedIn, for TikTok, and for Facebook. And that's it. So now this email is ready to be exported or sent as a test email. And to export it, you can go to share and then send test email. Or no, that's for sending a test email. To export it, click on the Gmail icon, and then make sure to connect your Google account here. Mine's already connected, so just connect it, and then you'll see the export to Gmail button at the end. Click on that, and then it's going to actually export. This process might take a few minutes, so I'm going to just show you the end result. So if you go to your Gmail account and then go to your drafts, in that Gmail account you're connected within Canva, you're going to see a draft made from that email that you designed. And then if we click on it, we're going to see the exact same thing here. So as you can see, we can edit the text however we want. We can edit the text within these highlight blocks as well. And we can also change the images. And we can also change the links for each of these, and they would work as well if we would send them. And yep, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.